as you may know, when you file bankruptcy, your attorney will ask you or will do a search online to find out what the tax value of your house is, or your condominium, or your townhouse. This is important because this is usually the presumed value when you file bankruptcy, so usually the court looks to see what the tax value of your property is. If you feel that the value on your property is too high, so if you say that tax value is way too high, my property is definitely not worth that much money, then there are things that you can do to try to get that tax value lowered. Usually what you need to do is you need to contact the county where your property is located and contact the tax department and find out what needs to be done, what steps need to be taken to have a re-evaluation done of your property. Usually there are going to be forms that you have to fill out. You may need to make a few phone calls, fill out some forms, wait a little while. Someone will come out to your house and look at your property again, and then they'll give another value on the house if you're right and if your property is really not worth as much as they say that it is. So it can be a little bit of a tedious process, but when you file bankruptcy, it may be worth it to take those steps, especially if the tax value on your property is way too high.